Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about wrapping bouquets. With all the spring holidays, it makes for wonderful gifting. And adding a bit of a scallop just makes it even more wonderful. Easy. Taking your wax tissue or any other decorative paper, fold it so that you establish a square. And remove that end. That's not necessary. You don't need that at all. Then, taking the triangle, keep folding it. Always forming a new triangle. And again, maybe think back to grade school when you might have made snowflakes. Same technique. Then give it a cut. When you fold it out, got a perfect scallop. Then one more tip. When you're done, give it a fold and cut in the center, creating a little hole. That way, as you place in the bouquet, you can put the stems through the hole so that you can set them into a vase of water for storage until you're ready. Then bring it up. Fanning it around. Then before you wrap it tightly, go back. Add in your extra tissue and enhance.